Hi, boys and girls. It's Laura the Teach. I was thinking about something the other day. A lot of students now are struggling with multiplication, and there are some tricks that you can do when multiplying numbers. One trick I want to share with you today is the 9 trick. So when you are multiplying by 9, you just use your 10 fingers here. And so if I was going to multiply a number by 9, I'm going to look at my fingers this way in front of me. But for the purpose of this, I'll do this backwards with you. And I'm going to be going from left to right instead of what I'm looking at. This would be my left and this would be my right. So if you want to say 9 times 1, you would put down the first finger. You always start on the left side, put down the first finger, and anything before the bent finger is the tens column. Anything after the bent finger is the ones column. So I have no tens, but I have 9 ones. So 9 times 1 would be 9. Now, let's try that again. 9 times 2. So I count 1, 2. I put down that second finger. Before the bent finger is the tens column. So I have 1, 10. After the bent finger is the ones column. So I have 5 and 3, which is 8. So 1, 10, 8 ones. 9 times 2 is 18. Now, one thing also is that any of your answers when multiplied by 9 is going to add up to 9 as well. So 1 plus 8 is 9. Even though this is 1, 10, and 8 ones and your answer is 18, if you look at your answer and you add the two digits together, it will equal 9. So you know that if you did it correctly or not. So let's do 3. 9 times 3, 1, 2, 3. I put down my third finger. So before the bent finger is 2 tens, and after the bent finger is 7 ones. So 9 times 3 is 27. Isn't that cool? Let's try 9 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I put down the fourth finger. So I have 3 tens, and then I have 6 ones. So 9 times 4 is 36. And again, checking 3 and 6 equals 9. So I know I did it correctly. 9 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So before the bent finger is your tens, 4 tens, 5 ones. 9 times 5 is 45. Now 9 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 tens, 4 ones, 54. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 times 7 is 6 tens and 3 ones. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I put down that 8th finger. I have 7 tens and 2 ones, 72. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 8 tens and 1 1, 81. Isn't that a great trick? And you can easily do that wherever you are. If you're afraid to be doing that on top of the desk at school, you can put your hands under your desk, count your fingers across, and quickly figure out how many tens and how many ones you've got. I hope that little trick helped you when you're working on multiplication by 9's.